Ooh. Look at this roasted chicken. Keep on watching to find out its many surprises. Welcome to my life as a carnivore. Wash this chicken inside, outside. Now we're gonna pat it dry as good as possible, also on the inside. And here is the neck and the organs, liver. I love gizzards. And the heart. For this recipe, I'm not gonna use the organs and the neck, but don't throw it away. Use it for something else. Here I have some ground beef. This one is 73%. Pure sea salt. And I'm just gonna mix that. I'm gonna put some Italian sea salt in here. Just so. Now you gotta be careful. So we have the breast up, and here we have the skin. And we want to create an opening. So you see here it's like attached. I can also use a knife, but be careful not to damage the skin. I can kind of cut this open. Then also with my fingers. So we create this pocket. This is like a skin or something here that's like attached, it's like in the middle, and I just cut this, so I'm getting a bigger opening. Really nice. So now the fun part, we have here our ground beef, and we're gonna stuff it in between here. So not here, here underneath the skin. So I'm sorry, but I have to do it this way. Now we can really stuff it all the way. You can also like press it down, move it around. Yeah, you really gotta be careful with it. As you can see, I have here a little bit of a gap, of a cut. So now here I have chunks of ribeye. You can use whatever meat you want. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the Italian sea salt on it. And now we actually gonna stuff that in here. twine and we're gonna tie it together. Like 3 to 4 cuts here into the leg. So now I'm gonna take some more of our salted ground beef and kind of push it in those cuts and also put it underneath the skin there again. Actually, I like to stuff a lot of the ground beef in it, and I go all the way here down to actually the chicken thigh, not just the drumstick. Basically, I just try to put ground beef underneath the skin kind of everywhere. Of course, not too like fat, but I'm also like, see, you can like push it around, like massage it. You can even push it towards the back. So now we should actually rub it with some fat. Yeah, you can have whatever rendered fat, bacon fat, duck fat, chicken fat. You could even use olive oil. Just rub it all over. I don't really do well with rendered fat, so I'm just having here chunks of tallow, still kind of frozen. I have it here in the pan and try to make it a little bit warm so I can just kind of rub it over. Now we're gonna put some more salt on the chicken. This is Himalayan pink salt. And again, gently rub it all over. Lucky chicken gets nice massages today. Of course, on both sides. Give that chicken that well-deserved massage. Nice chicken, good chicken, tasty chicken, beautiful chicken. So the oven is preheated. I took out the very hot baking sheet, put some more raw beef suet on it, and I'm just gonna use that to grease it up. You use whatever grease you want. You want the breast facing up. Put the chicken into the oven. Bye. And we're gonna leave that for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn it over. Yes, unfortunately, my skin here got ripped off because my baking sheet didn't have enough fat. So make sure you grease it well. 5 minutes later, we turned it over again, back into the oven, and then we gonna leave it in there for an hour. What I also like to do sometimes, once in a while, like just pour the fat over it. You don't have to, I just like that. Okay, we hit 165. That's how it should be inside. Doesn't it look so beautiful? Okay, I put it back in for 15 minutes because it's quite a big bird. Look at that delicious plate. But now look at all this deliciousness. So we gonna have some delicious sauce. Also want some over the filling. So we have our chicken breast with the ground beef underneath the skin, our filling, the ribeye, and our nice leg here. Wow, this is a feast. Also, I do love all these burned crusts here. We can also add some of that. Ooh, nice. All these remains. They are so flavorful. Et voila! So I took the drumstick off from the thigh and look, huh? What do we have here? Filling, ground beef. If you like what you see, subscribe. If not, just click me away. I'm gonna have some meat now. Roasted chicken with 2 surprises.